What is it? Come on, camera, please capture this. Oh, crap, Discord. What is that? SVR for...
County in north central Texas, northwestern
Went off
County
late.
in north central Texas until 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:29 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Decatur, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Denton, Corinth, Sanger, Decatur, Little Elm, Crum, Argyle, Shady Shores, Albury, North Lake, Crossroads, New Fairview, Boyd, Oak Point, and Ponder. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 468 and 482. Interstate 35W between mile markers 79 and 85. Interstate 35E between mile markers 459 and 466. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill.